Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'll be making me some fluffy buttermilk homemade pancakes. These fluffy buttermilk pancakes are light and tender and made with simple ingredients. Top them off with some butter and some maple syrup for the best classic homemade pancakes ever. These fluffy babies can be eaten whenever, either for breakfast, lunch, or for your dinner. The secret ingredient for these pancakes are find out in the video. So guys, please stay tuned and let's get this process started. Let's go. These are all the ingredients that I'll be using to make my buttermilk pancakes. Over here, I've got me 2 cups of all-purpose flour. If you love some pancakes, let me know. Up next, my vanilla extract, my baking soda. Over here, I've got me some confectioner sugar. This is like some powdered sugar. You could use whatever brand you have. My Aunt Jemima maple syrup. Ooh, you can't go wrong without this. Some salt to give it added taste. I've got me some salted butter. Some baking powder. And the bad boy of the day, my buttermilk. This is the secret to my pancakes. And my non-stick cooking spray. We're going to use this to coat our pot. And my sugar. Can't go wrong with these ingredients, guys. And 3 eggs. So guys, if you want to learn this recipe, please stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe and let's go kick it off. At this point, I'm going to combine all of my dried ingredients together, going in with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, adding me my sugar, going in with 3 teaspoons of baking powder, up next, I'm going in with 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Cannot wait to go in my pancake. Adding me half teaspoon of salt to give it added taste. And I'm going in with half cups of powdered sugar. This is going to be super good. And then we're going to mix until everything is well combined together. And voila! All of my dried ingredients are well combined. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this aside and move on to the next process. To that, I'm going to add me my butter. And I'm using me 5 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to melt this together. So let's go. Up next, guys, I'm going to make me a well in the center of my dried ingredients. This is where I'm going to add all of my wet ingredients right in the center. Going in with my melted butter. Ooh, I cannot wait to dig in this pancake. Just add it just like that. Going in with 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Up next, I'm adding me 3 eggs and just add them just like that. Up next, I'm going in with 2 cups of buttermilk. This buttermilk is going to make my pancakes super fluffy, rich, and nice. Cannot wait to show you guys the finished product. And then we're going to mix until everything is well combined. Mix all that creases, all that corner, guys. We want to make sure we mix it properly, getting all that flour and all of dry ingredients together. Going back in with another cup of buttermilk. Wow, take a look at the finished product of my pancake batter. Super fluffy and is looking oh so good. Whisking plays a vital role. Please make sure you whisk until there is no dried ingredients whatsoever. And there you have it, guys. We are ready to go and make some golden brown pancake. So guys, let's go. My pot is heated And I'm going in with my non-stick cooking spray. Please make sure you coat your frying pan properly, and we're just gonna let it heat for a minute. To that, I'm going in with my pancake batter. OMG. We are going to pour the batter half cup at a time. And also guys, the important tip, make sure your stove is on low heat. We don't want to burn our pancakes. On the top surface of our pancakes, when it is ready to be flipped over on the opposite side, you will see some bubbles in the top. That's when you flip over your pancakes. We're gonna fry this for 2 to 4 minutes. And voila! These are the bubbles that I was mentioning earlier. It is ready to be flipped over on the opposite side. Look at that, guys. I know the opposite side is gonna be super golden brown and it's gonna look oh so good. So take your spatula and take your time and flip it over on the opposite side. Look at all of that niceness. OMG, guys. Voila. And just take your little time and spray some cooking spray over it just like that. We want to make sure the opposite side is cooked as well. And there you have it, guys. My pancake is all finished, looking super golden brown, crispy on the edges, and it's smelling oh so good. Pancake to perfection. We are going to continue the exact same process of coating our frying pan with our non-stick cooking spray. Let it heat for a minute and going in with our pancake batter. Adding it just like that, guys. Nothing changed. We are continuing the exact same process from before. Please make sure your stove is on low heat, guys, and wait until you see the bubbles in the top of your pancake batter before flipping it. If you flip it before the pancake have the bubbles at the top, guys, you are not going to get a perfect set of your pancake. They are not going to come out looking good. So please make sure, guys, you follow the steps and you won't go wrong. Don't be alarmed by that. I just didn't want it to fold. So take your time and you'll be fine. Here goes our last pancake. There it is, guys, and I'm just gonna place it right here on top. Look at all this niceness, guys. Can't get enough of these babies. And here goes my fluffy buttermilk pancake, guys. Take a look at it. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to add me some strawberries. Add me a piece of butter. A moment of silence, guys, and just take a look at all of this niceness. My strawberries on the side, piece of butter on top, all my powdered sugar just looking presentable. OMG, guys, isn't this everything? I just want to show you guys and the niceness before I add my Aunt Jemima syrup. Take a look, guys. Cannot get enough of all of this right here. At this point, I'm going to add my Aunt Jemima syrup. Ooh la la. Isn't this everything, guys? Right now, I'm drooling making this video. My stomach is growling. I just want to know, how is your stomach going over there, guys? Let me know in the comment section what you think about this lovely buttermilk fluffy pancake recipe. This right here is everything for your breakfast, your dinner, or your lunch. You could eat pancakes whenever. I love me some buttermilk pancakes. OMG. Look at the syrup. Oh, wow. You cannot have some pancake without some scrambled egg on the side. This meal right here just made my entire day. So guys, there you have it. If you enjoyed this fluffy buttermilk pancake recipe, please do not forget to subscribe if you're new here. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also guys, turn your notification button on so you don't miss out any video that we post. Please guys, sometimes your notification button might not be working, so please turn it off and then you turn it back on so you get all of the notification, because I'm coming up with some bomb recipes that you don't want to miss out on and some lit content. So please make sure you stay tuned. Also comment and let me know how much you would rate this video and if you would try it at home, and send me some, because your girl over here love her some pancakes. Please don't forget guys to comment below and tell me what you want to see me cook again in my kitchen. Don't be shy guys. Ask me some questions. Let me know what you want to see me prepare and your girl got you. I just write it down and get it noted so I'm on the track with you guys. Alrighty guys, so please guys, please be safe out there. Stay warm. We just had a snowstorm, so please be safe. And your girl and your boy David love each and every one of you. Now it's my turn to take a bite. Look how greedy I am. OMG, look at all of this. OMG, this tastes super good. This is super fluffy, nice, and delicious. Especially with that Aunt Jemima syrup. Wow guys, wow. Let me take another bite. Ooh la la. You guys need to try this out in your kitchen. Your girl over here is feeding her. OMG guys, let me just wrap up this video because your girl over here is hungry. So guys, have a blessed week. See you guys soon, and stay prayed up, stay hydrated, and please, I'm begging you guys to wear your mask and be safe out there. Your health is your #1 priority. Alrighty guys, see you guys soon. Enjoy and have a blessed one. Bye guys.